Na no ne wa anu ane ni ya we si anioma ndị ya wa afọ meho elewe Igbo since how many years when ye in the western region aza western region wundi Yoruba anya aza Kayode anya aza Sarewa gba mi o anya aza Tinubu anya aza Olamide but is when wundi western na western region nye ya aza o Chinedu Ebie Ifeanyi Chukwu Ikenna Ikechukwu Obi Emeke yake mana yaka ya aza Ibn by end of the day so ihe lo Igbo na anyị ka wazo Igbo ihe ka agwa na ile ndị Igbo nwere enwe the same character enwe the same attitude but Igbo can one of our brother Pua the other day he declared himself as an Igbo man. Yes, even in Rivers State the same thing yake happen in Rivers State where some people listen to Igbo even some Port Harcourt indigenous Igbo kwaso ba hon most of them declare themselves as an Igbo man because araza Ikechukwu ya ribe they don't care e carry ohu no yellow Yoruba yellow Yidu yellow Yoruba ela funre e carry ohu so anyoma Igbo anyoma ihe na nka na go egiliwe bi yeah my native name me egiwe bi yellow Igbo yellow Hausa yellow Yoruba yellow Yoruba yellow Igbo yelebe last one we ke Nigeria be last njeko epo esene we anyoma yellow Igbo anyoma nke anyoma Yoruba language abi anyoma Hausa language eku okwekwenwe ihujekwu ekpume iwe yelebe kira aso kuya ira aso kiku efan ka ya aza Ifeanyi Chukwu Ikenna ipo eselu Igbo weke we bi jeko Nigeria etokwere so south east but three major language in Nigeria Igbo Yoruba and Hausa well three major language other language ojara abi amani de other language ojara three major language ka in Nigeria Igbo la Hausa le Yoruba other language even when area so one now jara ko abi amani language ya na recognize in Nigeria obi keru ya so ne ozugbo aklasego as an Igbo man asna ni resi we na Igbo yan agbo ni Igbo yan eka ama ya azeka ihe ama na Igbo Igbo as long as you are from this side Igbo am no Igbo ndi Igbo we ke Igbo no le chancheni abi amani de agwa na we
4 points. This is Melbourne City Court. Melbourne Court. Yes, as you can see. Yes, one of the property of this. Yes, long for wash. Just like expect. Yes, very nice land. Very close to Pale Junction. Just 3 minutes back to Pale Junction.
I don't know the name of this Maika brother. He has been an outspoken. He has been so vocal since I started seeing his video. And today I want to appreciate him. Whoever knows him should also tag him. I want to appreciate him for always trying to let our people know that the cars are Igbos. Not just by linguistic connection between us and the Igbos or the name we bear, but even by DNA. And I know that so many people will not believe what I'm saying, but that's the truth. The cars are not just Igbos, they are the proper Igbo. But I think the most problem that people have is the origin of Igbo. This is where the biggest problem lies. Both the Ikas, the Okwanes, and even some of us, the Enuane, and some of the riverine Igbos like the Kweres, the Ogba, the Eche. The problem they have is that when they say they are Igbo, they don't want to accept that the Igbos come from southeast. And I want you to know that until Nigeria is created, there's nowhere like southern Nigeria. And until Nigeria is created, there's nowhere like southeast. And until Nigeria is created, there's nothing like south-south. We all exist without nobody giving us the 4 cardinal points. Say this is north, south, east, west. Yeah, so you must understand that wherever you are occupying today, even though that the geography of the modern day geopolitical zones have divided us, we existed in that place before the coming of Nigeria name and division. So you can't say you migrate or you come from southeast because you be Igbo. Let me give you an example. There is a village called Ozobolo in Anambra State. Any Ozobolo man will tell you that he's migrated from Ubuluku in Delta State today. So you must understand that it's intermigration that has happened to the Igbos. That's what I'm trying to prove. Intermigration happened to the Igbos. There are Onichubo in Ebonyi State. Onichubo, my village is Onichubo in Delta State. There's Onichubo in Ebonyi State, another Onichubo. And I'm hearing Kepu, Kare, that those people migrated from the Onichubo in Delta State today. So there's an intermigration. Even when we say that some Igbos, like the Wuzos, and some people migrated from Nri down to this side, there are also some migration that happened from this side to the other side. So you must understand that we are all Igbos. Intermigration happened to all of us. We move to settle wherever we settle. Because Igbo does not have one ancestry. Igbo have different ancestral roots. We have the Nri, the Eri. We have the Isu. We have the Aro. We have the Du. And so many Igbo ancestral roots. And that is why the Igbo does not have one single tongue that you say this is how we speak. We have different dialects, The Ozobolo, the name Ozobolo come as a result of Ubolo Ozo, that is another Obolo. That is how it become Ozobolo. Ubolo Ozo, but they pronounce it. That if you notice our dialect, there's a place you'll be listening to the cars. You look as if they are talking backward. If you're from the southeast, you notice it. And sometimes with the cars, when we listen to the southeast, we look as if they're talking backward. Look as if they are saying things the other way around, but at the same meaning they want to portray. So that is why they give that name. Instead of Ubolo Ozo, they call it Ozobolo. The Ozobolo people came from Ubuluku, and Ubuluku came from Ubolono. So you must understand this, that intermigration has happened to everybody. So when we say that the cars are Igbo, it does not mean they necessarily come from the southeast. The cars should be one of the oldest Igbo clan that have existed where they are today. But the problem the cars are having is inferiority complex, coupled with buying into the lies and propaganda of the enemies of Igbo. That is the truth. Most cases, people who live at the edge always feel like nobody is recognizing them. Yes, nothing is happening at the edge. Most cases, towns that are at the edge sometimes become more popular than the towns in the middle, and sometimes towns in the middle are becoming more popular than towns on the edge. That is life for you. So when the Igbos were all living together before the coming of all these things, the cars might actually feel like they neglected them because they are at the edge. And they feel inferior. For you to know how confused the cars are, some of them that are listening to Den of Abo, Dieni of Abo, is telling them today that the cars are not a cars, that Abo is not a car, Abo is Abo, that they don't speak a car, they speak Abo. That is the level of confused even their so-called king has led them to. This is enough reason for you to know that you guys have to wake up and search for your origin. Because when we talk about that you speak Igbo or you practice Igbo culture, that is a limited way of showing you proofs. And that is the simplest way. But there are deeper ways to show you proof. which you have to find out by yourself. Your DNA shows, your culture shows. And that's why people like us don't listen to some of you that say, go and ask your king, go and do this thing. We don't. Because we know that some of our kings don't even know their left and right. The day any of our boy doesn't even speak the Ika language. I can dare that I will speak Ika more than him. But is he telling you that you don't speak Ika again now, but you don't speak? So he wants to separate you from the Ika people. You better wake up from your sleep. Like I said, the creation of a normal state is a small thing to compare with what we are trying to do for the unification of Igbo. And that is the main goal. We have been able to succeed to let people know that you guys are there as Igbo people. And you have a bigger force to contribute when the state is created. Because the cars will now become a constituency on its own. The Okowa will now be a senator without no challenge. Because I don't see anybody that will come and challenge him in the cabinet. For political sake, he must have a competitor that will compete against him in the day of election. But truly, Okowa will win the car constituency hands down and become a senator if he wants to go back to the Senate. But if not, he has the opportunity to groom boys that will work for us. It's not only him. He has been in the corridor of power since 1999, being a commissioner, being this, being that, being secretary, be all, and become a governor and contends to be the vice president of Nigeria. So why going back to Senate again that you have been before? Oh, why not put other people there? But we must have a state for him not to have a competitor in that scene. So if people know what you are doing, it's high time you stand up for your ground, the cars, and join this race, Anyoma, so that all the Lununam, Ndianyoma, or the Lununama, I'm out of here.